सो फ्रेंड्स, हम इधर आएंगे केमिस्ट्री कैफे है एंड यहाँ पे आया हूँ तो इसके एंट्रेंस कुछ इधर है इस तरह से, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं ये है इसकी एंट्रेंस। एंड देखते हैं कि इसमें आपको क्या क्या देखने को मिलता है। तो ये है कुछ इसकी एंट्रेंस वगैरह, ये देखें केमिस्ट्री लिखा हुआ है। So friends, this is the chemistry lab and you can see it's a cafe. So this is located in Al Kusebi Center beside Danube Mall. There is the Kusebi village. So now I have ordered a tiramisu ice cream and let's see how does it taste. And this is our new series where I'm going to shoot a video of all the cafes which is located in Alcover. So most probably there will be top 10 cafes I'll be shooting. So this is the first episode of our series and his name is Omar and there is another brother also. He is also available. So there are two people working. What all you have in menu?
Menu? We have cappuccino, lattes, hot coke, ice cream, all things.
So I'll give the location in the description. You can visit this cafe and this cafe is located beside Danube Hypermarket. So you can visit it over there and let's talk about what they have in their food. So let me tell you that they have cakes. I will show you. As you can see, this is cookies, this is cakes and this all are cakes and different types of coffees you will get. Friend, as you can see, this is a tiramisu softie. So I have ordered one tiramisu softie, and you can see how cute is the glass. And there is a topping with a biscuit, I guess. And now I will taste this ice cream and I'll let you know it's going to melt, so we will eat it so far. And this is a softie of their cafe. They have so many flavors. I will ask them which all flavors they have. So let's taste the first bite. Well, the taste of the ice softie is so good and it's a unique taste. Little bit there is a taste of coffee. I think they have put a coffee powder, and rest it's a very good softie. So friends, as you can see, this ice cream is almost finished, and the last texture of this softie, it seems like they have put a marshmallow, so it tastes like little bit marshmallow. And in their softie they have so many flavors. You can try any flavors of them, and it cost around 22 riyal. And now I will order iced coffee, and let's see how does it taste and which all flavors they have in iced coffee. You will get the location in the description. If you are far from this cafe, you can order it on Handia station. And this marshmallow tastes like if you have eaten a rabdi in India. I don't know what we call rabdi in English, but it seems like they have put some kind of rabdi or a marshmallow, but it was a very good taste. तो फ्रेंड्स, अब मैं इनसे पूछने वाला हूँ कि इनके कौन कौन से फ्लेवर्स हैं आइस कॉफ़ी के, तो मैं पूछता हूँ। Which all flavors you have in ice coffee? Ice coffee, which all flavors? In ice coffee, which all flavors you have?
Common and Spanish and pistachio. And what else? That's it. And salted caramel, yeah.
Okay. And in ice cream?
Yeah. Sometimes we add a cream with the ice latte. Ice latte and with a cream and caramel sauce. This is signature for me.
Okay. तो कुछ इस तरह से इनके वो हैं वेरिएंट्स एंड वेरिएंट तरह के फ्लेवर्स हैं। तो आप इधर एक बार तो ट्राई दे सकते हैं। ये अलगोसिबी विलेज में लोकेटेड है केमिस्ट्री कैफे। तो अभी मैं एक ऑर्डर देने वाला हूँ। One thing I will recommend you can try their signature latte, iced latte, okay? And you can see in my vlog, it's taste good. So yeah, I will recommend you to check it out that. So friends, this is a water wash basin, you can say. They will place a glass and then they will press it and the water will come out and the glass is clean. And now they are making somebody's coffee. You take order from Handia station also?
Yeah, Handia station and Marsool.
Thank you. So friends, this is Chemistry Cafe and this is located in Algosebi village, which is beside Danube shopping center. And the people who are working over there, they are so friendly and they are so cool and they are doing the work great. And they have so many types of ingredients. They have so many types of snacks, coffees, iced coffees, softies and many more. So friends, हमने टेक अवे के लिए लिया है ये वनीला आइसक्रीम मेरे मॉम के लिए एंड कैरेमल सॉसेस में। ये सेज लैटे है, इनका सिग्नेचर कॉफ़ी है, आइस कॉफ़ी। तो मैं अभी तो ये पी रहा हूँ, इसे हम लेके जाएंगे घर पे। गाइस, ये जो सेज कॉफ़ी है ये बहुत अच्छी है। बिकॉज मैंने अब तक जितने भी आइस कॉफ़ी पिए हैं उतना कुछ खास नहीं लगा, बट ये अच्छी लगी मुझे। तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया और ये कैफ़े पसंद आया, ये दोनों लोग आपको मिल जाएंगे। तो मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे नेक्स्ट कैफ़े के एपिसोड 2 में। तब तक के लिए गुड बाय एंड टेक केयर माय फ्रेंड्स एंड थैंक यू टू ऑल ऑफ यू।